Assistant Public Defender, Your Honor, on behalf of my clients, Judge.
I extremely apologize, Your Honor, for showing up late.
Your name?
My name is Francisco.
Your Honor, I know the court would like to address the bond violation first.
Yes. There a particular reason you can't test on time?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I try to do it just with having kids and I'm in a busy life as a single dad. It's kind of hard to take track of the times, but I will be more on top of it. You give me another chance.
Did we set an order on this one? Or we just got it?
No, we just got that yesterday, Your Honor. This is the first violation.
And Your Honor, I've spoken with Mr. Cazetta Loretta, and I asked the same question that the court did. He indicated to me that he thought that as long as he got the test in, that he would be fine. I told him that these time blocks in which he's supposed to test by.
I don't know what that meant. As long as he got a test in.
As he's supposed to test between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. and he tests at 9:18 a.m. because the majority, if not all of these, are for late tests. I tried to look through every last one of them. I don't think that there were any. There were a few missed tests very early on in December.
I guess I'm unclear though as to why, if I give you three 3-hour windows, you can't find the time in those 3-hour windows to test.
Your Honor, he explained to me that he has been extremely overwhelmed with his children, his work schedule, which is those are the different reasons that he's been testing late. Sometimes he wouldn't even have the device on him when he was at work or elsewhere. I told him that this is a very serious situation. I would say that the positive is that he has not had any positive tests. And I know that weighs a little bit because obviously the court has required that he test timely. I have spoken with him. He informed me that he's currently on probation out in Kent County in Kentwood. I did supply the court with another document. I spoke with his probation officer in Kentwood, and she states that he is currently testing with them 1 to 2 times weekly. He's doing ETG tests as well as it's a dipstick test is how she described it. And he's doing the ETG tests and it tests for drugs and alcohol. I have provided the court, I asked her to submit a write-up explaining the results of those tests. She did submit it to me. I forwarded it to his community corrections agent and I furnished a copy to the court as well as the people.
When was that?
Today, Judge.
Did we get something from?
Yeah, it's in the file. And what we're gonna be ready.
Yes.
It's right here.
Yes.
So, Your Honor, and I asked specifically, I know in the initial paragraph, she describes the type of testing that he's currently doing, but in the body of it, it does not say alcohol. She says that if it does not say he's positive for alcohol, then he has not tested positive for alcohol. And she has confirmed that all of his tests have been negative. He does have the positive THCs, but he has a medical marijuana card.
Yes, it has 2 failed to appear.
So the 2 failed to appear. He's telling me that he was in another court that date. I'd have to confirm the dates, but Your Honor, he did not start testing in our court until 12/12 is when he was required to begin his testing. So from the time frame that he's been testing with us, he has been very consecutive with his tests in Kentwood as well. And he has been negative for everything there, except for the positive THC, which he has the card for.
Can't seem to do anything on time. Why was he late today?
Your Honor,
Your Honor, I was late coming over here. I stayed out in Grand Rapids, so I had to pack my family up and I took off. And right 30 minutes before I remembered about my apparatus and the test, so I turned around, ran home, did the test, submitted it. And I brought the apparatus with me just in case. I deeply apologize for the time frame, sir.
and Your Honor, typically the court has been very generous in allowing him to log in on Zoom. I think the court can remember when this case was first called today, I informed the court that we did not make that Zoom request because we knew the court would need him here in person to address this.
And you're asking for an adjournment.
We are, Your Honor. I'm in communications with the people in regards to a resolution.
All right, we'll be sending it over to Ralph, indicating that you are not to have any more business. Yes, that's how I'll handle this unless you want me to switch over to a SCRAM unit.
And Judge, I did speak with him about a SCRAM, and I think that would be best with his
With
small
the children,
children.
okay.
Judge.
All right. Then we'll switch him over to a SCRAM testing unit.
So thank you, Your Honor.
How much time did you?
I think 2 weeks would be fine, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned March 12th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. With
Thank you.
the change in it being the SCRAM unit. You can head over there now if you have the other one to turn in.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I will do that surely right now. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Lawrence Ransom.
Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Carey, I can really, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Lawrence Ransom. Mr. Ransom, state your name for the record, please.
Lawrence Ransom.
Your Honor, we're
And
asking.
where was he?
Judge, Mr. Ransom indicates, and I think I told the court earlier that I had not had contact with Mr. Ransom, which was true. But he states that he called my office, and they told him that his court date was scheduled for 1:30. So I don't know. I will find out. I'll get to the bottom of it, where this incorrect information came from.
To see, I'll call you out stuff. She don't answer the phone. She don't answer the phone for me. That's what I'm thinking. So how come you didn't answer the phone when he called?
I don't believe he called me. Did you call my phone?
I called your, I don't have your phone number. I called the office. They told me to come at the same time I've been coming last time, and that was 2 o'clock. I got here at 1:25. So, trying to be early, but.
So they told you just to appear the same time you did last time. And that's what you did.
No, I was here.
You were early, but I mean, your intent was just come at the same time last time.
No, that's why I came early. I came at 1:25. I was trying to be, they said 2 o'clock. I was trying to be 45 minutes early. I was trying to be earlier than that.
So he doesn't do good in math either. Because you got here, that's not 45 minutes. You're good. It's not you I'm worried about. It's like what communication is getting through.
I will get to the bottom of it, Judge.
Okay, you get to the bottom of it. Otherwise, what's gonna end up happening is you're gonna have your client's bench warrant that.
No, I am
Right.
so, thank you so much, Your Honor, for recalling.
Because if
me.
I asked him right now, would you want me to lock him up or you? I bet you he's gonna say you.
No, he.
Yes, he would. Yes, he would. Oh, I'll cancel the bench warrant.
Thank you so much, Your
Hey,
Honor.
shoot. Huh? Carol? No. You want an adjournment?
Yes, please, Your Honor. We're trying to, he's out of county, so we're working on getting him into a sobriety court in Wayne County.
Oh, okay. So how far along are you on that process? Because
We're just starting. Yes.
which part of what?
He lives in Canton, Judge, so.
So at least he's on there. Okay. Let's do it this way and then. I'm gonna put it 30 days out.
Okay,
And so you can start that process and see what can happen on that.
thank you very much.
So I'll set it for March 19, 2026. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
and Sarah, I joke about it, but thank you for coming early and trying to be proactive on it. I do appreciate it. Yes, absolutely. Always try to do what I can for you. You know, and I did today. I did today. Because yesterday was Random Acts of Kindness Day. I decided to postpone it until today. And so these things I did for Acton Ridley were just random acts of kindness. Kinda.
It's not under.
No, it is. No, it was. It was. I'm holding it.
Thank you very much.
Why do you say that wasn't? It was. It was on the calendar. Well, I don't know if it was on the calendar. Alexa told me that's what day it was. Yesterday, my whole day was random acts of kindness toward you. You okay? All right, never mind. That was pushing it. Wow. Everybody just turns on. Court calls the case, People versus Jessica Williams.
Andrew Children's attorney on behalf of the people. Your Honor, Justin Zaid on behalf of Ms. Williams. I think she just stepped out of the bathroom.
Pass it.
Pass, thank you.
Court calls the case, People